Codesignal, Arcade, Databases, Contest Leaderboard. Hello everyone, my name is Joshua and I'll be solving Contest Leaderboard from Codesignal. So let's begin. So you are a recruiter at a big IT company and you're looking for candidates who could take the top places in a major programming contest. You already have interviewed all the prize winners and you got the top 3 participants, but that's not enough right now. Your company wants more specialists and you want to connect with the participants who took the next 5 places. So you have a leaderboard that is stored in a table called Leaderboard with the following columns: ID, name, and score. And so the resulting table, which is the answer we're trying to get in this problem, is the names of the participants who took 4th through 8th place inclusive, sorting in descending order of the places. And if there are fewer than 8 participants, the results should contain those who ranked lower than 3rd place. We have this table as an example. We have for IDs 1 to 10, scores. Okay, and I think we rank by scores, and you could tell that I think the highest top 3 is going to be Alex, Ganji, so many numbers. I think Gasa. And then now we want to get the next 5 people after that. So the next 5 people after that is, as you can see, is this answer right here, which is going to be Becca, Murosov, Thomas Holmes, and Edward Shi, and Urandom. So how do we solve this problem? We want to get the next 5 places after 3rd place. To do that, let's just work with what we know right now. So let's select. And I can see we only want the names from the leaderboard table. Oh, shoot, don't do that. All right. And now we want to do it order by score in descending order. We want it in descending order because we want to go from the max to the least. And in this case, now the only problem we get to go and work out is that we don't want just the top performers, because we already interviewed with them. We want to get the 4th to 8th place. To do that, we can use the limit. So we know we could definitely need the next 4th to 8th places, so that's about 5 people. But we don't need the first 3. To do that, I could denote it by prefixing a 3 comma with this limit keyword. So what this does is that it's going to offset by 3. In this case, the first 3 places that were ordered by score. So for example, like let's just say Ganji, Alex, and Gasa are the first 3, right? We offset these 3, so we don't include them in the results, and we want to get the next 5 within the same order by score. And this is how this code works. So let's see if this runs correctly. Unless I switch these around, that'd be terrible. Okay, it works. Awesome. Okay, it passes. So again, this limit, it's if you put a 3 comma 5, what this does is it offsets the 3 values that are within the score, the results from the score that's ordered by score in descending order, and we just want to get the next 5 people after that. Alright guys, I hope you like this type of content. Please like and subscribe. And if you do, I'm going to give you guys a referral to a big IT company, and I'll give you like a secret contest link that if you solve correctly under 1 minute, we're going to take the 4th through 8th placed people because, you know, in honor of this question, we just want to get the next 5 places other than 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. Yeah, that's right. Do your best, but don't really do your best. No, just kidding, guys. Take care.